time for the gadget session. Now that I screwed up that other thing. Right here I have these things. Everybody knows what these are. I'll show you what I'm planning on cutting the bottom of a chair up, but I'll just show you anyway. It's just another video. Let me cut this open here. Because I'm so prepared. Yeah. I gotta watch because this knife is really sharp. I gotta dull it out. It's way too sharp. It's a Gerber. I bought these things. Little rubber knobbies for chairs. And I have a chair over there that has it's like I don't know, it's stupid. They made it like so high you can barely sit on it. Nice block of wood on top, and there's like 2 rings in the middle and there's 1 ring on the bottom, and it's stupid. So I'm lopping it off and putting plugs on it and making it into a real stool, which is, maybe I'm just short. I'm not 6'12". 6'12". So that's one thing I picked up. This is another thing I picked up. It's a genuine Honda shop manual. Why did I buy another one? I bought a reproduction, not a reproduction, but a photocopy one. But here was the problem. It worked, but some of the things you just couldn't read. Like, it was cheap, it was like $20. But whoever's doing photocopies of these manuals on eBay, get a better photocopier, man. Like, hello, got that, and then I got this stuff. It's I grabbed there was a leak in the packaging, and if you look at it, there's a yellow stain on the side. This stuff here, aluminum brightener. I picked it up and touched the bottle, and my hand was burning. It says on here, directions: rinse off excess dirt or ground plank. Before use, pre-test solution in an inconspicuous area, blah, 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 blah. If hazing or streaking occurs, discontinue use immediately. Apply freely. Allow 20 or 30 seconds for aluminum brightener. Special cleaning brightening foam to penetrate and loosen dirt and grease. Very stubborn stain, be lightly scrubbed. Rinse thoroughly with water immediately after each application to avoid possible surface damage. Corrosive can cause burns, severe irritant, respiratory and eye skin. So I don't have running water in here, so I'm going to stay away from this just for a little while until I bring it over there. What am I going to use it for? I'm thinking the transmission case in the back, I might clean it off with aluminum brightener. Just to try it. And I don't know, I might bring the whole bike there and just take a brush and wipe down parts of the engine. And like some of the cylinder head and stuff. I'm not really sure, because I have a motor, and I'm not really sure what I need. Like, not that I'm not sure, I know what I need to cap off, but I have to make a thing to cap off the exhaust manifold and a couple other parts. I don't want water going in the engine, and just spray it off and let it clean and spray it off again. So I'm gonna play with that. I did have something else. I don't know what I did with it, but I'll make a video of me cutting the legs off and putting some legs on this. I still have to do a couple other things. That's all I got for tonight. So, and if I miss a few weekly what new, I apologize. I'm still working on a house. This fall's gonna get fun. I'll be putting bikes together. Can't wait. Yay. Anyway, what is this, like 3 minutes? You wanna know how I tell how many minutes? In the middle of this video up here, I have to put my forehead right here because you can't see it, but how many minutes is up here. So I have to go like this, put on the forehead. 3 minutes and 40-some seconds. Anyway, I'll edit this, I'll upload it. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, no, I forgot this too. Yeah, like this. I paid 50 cents for it. What is it? It is galvanized steel wire. What the hell do I need galvanized steel wire for? I don't know. It was at a garage sale. I bought it. I try to keep different types of wire when I tie something up. This is pretty 18 gauge, 18 caliber. Wonder what kind of gun it goes in. It's 18 caliber, not gauge. So anyway, it's pretty thick. Probably use it for gardening or something. And I'll use it. It's $1. Oh, I took these out of my car too. Stickers. I put them on this box. I got a, what is it? 223 cycles sticker. I got a give me these nuts sticker. Right, ordered a shirt off her. Excellent shirts. And the Honda Big Red Nation thing. I want to put them on my box. I don't got a lot of stickers. If you have a channel, you want to send me stickers, send me a message or tell me to post whatever. Or I think I have an email, which I don't ever check for this channel. I should set up an email for this channel in case someone wants to email me and do something. So other than that, thanks for watching. Toodles. Sorry if I wasted your time and you want to complain about a video. Go do it somewhere else because I don't really care who complains. So Toodles, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're my 1800 bazillion subscriber. Thanks for subscribing. Toodles.